JDCap26, just a touch of Bears and Hobbies. It's me, and we're going to take the supports off this right now. So we got some pliers here, and I'm just going to plier them off best we can. They get stuck on the pliers. So just bear with me, guys. Kind of tools you got to use for this type of stuff. I don't know, maybe these would be better. There we go. Get them from the inside. This took about 5 hours to 6 hours to print on the X1 carbon. And I had to measure out my face to get the right size for this mask. Let's try this. There we go. Pulling it off. Takes some doing, let me tell you. I don't want to be doing this all day. You guys have like 50 printers and they print all this stuff all day long. I don't do that. I don't do print farm. Okay. Don't do print farm. It's expensive. I'm lucky to have you subscribers watch me do all this stuff. Oops. Oops. That's the keyboard. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Don't worry. Have patience. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Pretty neat looking. I'm going to have to pick up this stuff later. It's falling on the floor. You don't want to get that in your foot. Wouldn't you know it, one last piece here. Be a bitch to take off. Oh, looks pretty good. Take the glasses off. I'll show you. Missed one right there. The Dr. Doom mask. Look at that. Fits pretty good. Fits perfectly. You put a string from ear to ear, like a rubber band, one of those big blue ones. Tie it on, and you got yourself a Halloween mask. This is going to be painted black. in another video. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you watching. Let's put it over there for now. Clean it up more. And I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. So please rate, subscribe, share, send to your friends. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.